This is the only time I ever feel free. Free from stress, free from worry, free from everything.
you say that's him. There goes that guy with the funky sound. The beats and boys, you know we're gonna get down. Because I got the flow where I got my dick say, oh my god, that's the funky shit. So I'ma pass the mic and go to bed.
Everything you know about, like, all your experience in that big one out there, it's nothing. Yeah, it's nothing like this. It's nothing like this.
I know. That's the only thing I ever learned on, you know.
But I mean, I feel that it's good for your driving ability because you get that poor buggy like.
Oh well, I was trying to race with stuff that was like this. Man, that front diff was amazing.
Fucking awesome, dude. It's the best on earth. You know, it's literally the best shit on earth.
Oh, it'll be so awesome to hit stuff hard and not have to replace
You're not gonna.
diff gears.
I don't think you're ever gonna break this thing.
Everybody took the train to the high street station. Doing homework on the train, what a fucking situation. On the way back up here in battle days, I threw the underground underneath the skyscraper. It's like Harlem World battles on the Zulu Beach show. It's cool with T, but busy B, that's one you should know. Enough of that, just trying to give some respect to us. Yeah, got the mic and my bell will be next to you.
Marley was a rapper for the freedom fight. If there's a praise to the Lord, then I will feel alright. I'm feeling good to play a little music. A tear running down my face, cause I love to do it. And the one to stop the flow from flowing on. The flow master of disaster with the sound is gone. I took a little shout out to my dad and mom for bringing me into this world. So on, I kick it root down, I put my root down. I kick it root down, I put my root down. So how we gonna kick it?
Gonna kick it root down.
Yeah, how you wanna kick it?
Gonna kick it root down.
So how we gonna rock it? Gonna rock it root down. I'll bring it on down, gonna kick it root down.
Well, that was John.
I was walking down the street when out the corner of my eye I saw a pretty little thing approaching me. She said, I never seen a man who looks so all alone. Or could you use a little company? If you pay the right price, your evening will be nice and you can go and send me on my way. I said, you're such a sweet young thing, why you do this to yourself? She looked at me and this is what she said. Oh, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, I got mouths to feed. There ain't nothing in this world for free. I know I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could. I know there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good. Let's go! That's right, wicked.
Is that the exhaust? Because this motor ain't built the way it sounds. I mean, that thing is crazy.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it does. It does. It sounds like it's
good.
massive cubic
It
inch.
sounds like my old motor.
Yeah.
You know.
Man, does it sound good.
I just can't. I can't see you needing the nitrous oxide.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like I just can't see you needing it. Like if you get to the point in this thing where you just don't have enough horsepower, it's like I feel like your tires are gonna be blowing off already. You know, I feel like the motor's healthy. You know, I feel, and it's a big block, so it's even if it was a stock big block, it would be fast.
Yeah.
You know.
No, it makes a crazy amount of torque.
Yeah.
I mean, at the where the dyno sheet starts, it's making what most LS's are at peak.
It's making. That's what the best thing about big blocks. What I loved about mine was from 3,000 RPMs to 7, it made torque. You know. So, I mean, this thing's gonna be a fucking monster.
Well, that's one of the biggest things I'm excited about is because you put so much time in this buggy, and you know
I knew
all the stuff
I knew
that
what
you
I
would
wanted to change.
always wanted to do to make it.
And pretty much everything. It's what I did with my last chassis. That's why I didn't do it to this chassis, because it was so much work and I was in a time pinch.
Yep.
So, I mean, there was a way I was gonna, I could build a new chassis faster than what I could modify all this shit. Cutting my stuff up sucks, dude.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I go into so much detail, welding shit out and making sure it's a good weld, you know, and grinding all this shit off and cleaning it off. It just sucks. It sucks bad. But it's fucking super easy to work on. Like the gear, you undo the gearbox and the transmission, you know, rear drive shaft comes out, and you just pull the gearbox off and set it. You can set it right there on the chassis if you want, and then the transmission comes out the bottom.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Falls right out the bottom.
You need